How can you download videos from the VLC player on the iPad? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss explanations and videos like this one. So when I go to my VLC media player, you can see that I can browse all of the different files and everything that is stored within the application, right? So I get to browse the videos, for example, in the media folder. And there are more ways how you can technically do this or download videos from in here. So you can hold it down on the individual content and click on the share button. So it will give you this menu and you will see the save video, which will just move it to your photos app, right? So it will save it in your local videos folder. So I guess it gets the job done if you are going for it that specifically. So, it depends on what your purpose is, but this can get the job done. On the other hand, you can also go to the Files app of your iPad, go to the local storage, which is the on my iPad, and that's how it's titled. And then there is a dedicated VLC folder, and all of the media, like the videos and the audio even, which I had accessed through the VLC app, is stored in this folder. So as well, I can just hold down on it and move it to a different folder, a different location, or even export it and save it to the Photos app from here. So that is how it works. In case there is something else which I did not mention in this video and you had it on your mind, let me know about it below. Thanks a lot for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials and videos like this one.